Hey, this is Ginger. Welcome to the kitchen. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas, and by wishing you a Merry Christmas, we want to make you a berry martini. This is just so exciting. But what you're going to do is take a shot of strawberry vodka, and then a shot of raspberry schnapps. Oh, if you're a berry lover like I am, you will love this cocktail. And then some pomegranate raspberry juice. Just a little bit to taste. And then a shot of grenadine. I always like to add a little grenadine to my cocktails. And then you take and shake it. And we're going to put it in our glass. Oh, it's just a beautiful color. Just a perfect drink for the holiday. So this is a berry martini. Oh, that's awesome.